on our way to get some firewood for our own consumption and also for a friend. And we're on our way there at the same spot. And it is so cold today. And see you in there.
My stabilizer.
Taking a video of the tractor?
No, our way there. And then I will just make it down. Thanks. Guys, if you see this one, that is a deer blind.
What is deer? What is it? They don't know.
Deer blind is a those who hunt deer, who wants to shoot some deer, they get inside there to hide and wait for the deer to come out, or the buck. If they want to shoot a deer, it's for the meat. They can do that. And if they want just the horn of how many points they want, the more points the better. And it is during the hunting season. Their hunting season starts at October.
November. Well, yeah, October.
Okay, October. Okay, we're here. So guys, these are the woods that my husband is going to cut. A specific length is like 13 inches, 15 inches, so that it will fit the stove of a friend, or wood stove. And my husband is gonna start now. This is what he's using. Okay guys, I need to go on the other side. Because the wood chips goes on me. we still have lots of woods here that my husband cut, like I think last 2018, and so he cut it from over there, the woods. So those are pine trees, the one with deep needles and still green, and they don't lose their needle during winter. But those other trees that has no leaves, they lose their leaves. And if you see, guys, the white one, the white bark tree, that is a birch tree. I remember before when I was in first grade and my sister was 6 months old, and there's a milk, the name of the milk is birch tree. It's from New Zealand. So that's what she's drinking when she was a baby or 6 months old. Yeah. This one is kind of big. It's big though. So we still have lots of firewood here that my husband cut it slowly whenever we need some firewood for our outdoor wood stove. That's the one we use to heat our house. And so we still have a lot here. And so we have few left today. That's why we're gonna get some firewood for our wood stove and some firewood for a friend. It's sunny today, but it is cold. My hands started to freeze, especially that I removed the other gloves. Down the tree. Guys, my husband said those trees that without leaves are cherries. This is cherries.
Okay guys, I'm here in the woods and I'm just done putting my territorial mark. I don't know that you guys know what it means. Okay, so I need to go back there and I think they already filled it up and we need to go. Okay, so it's kind of like there's some deer truck here, like this one. So deer truck. Those are deer tracks. Okay. So deer tracks. Deer tracks. Okay, I just need to walk slowly. There's another deer truck here. Okay, I'm gonna go back there because the pickup truck is already loaded. It's already full and we need to deliver it to a friend.
Look at this, guys. Looks like bricks. It's pretty nifty. Looks like bricks, but it is a wood. Did you see, guys, the lots of limbs? And my husband said that he don't like a wood like that. Like if you use it for, you know, for making cabinets and like floors. A tree with lots of limbs, these are limbs, are not good, and so are not good for making furnitures and, you know, floors. There's a certain kind of pines that has lots of limbs, and I forgot. My husband already told me about it, and he knows about woods here in our state. Just by driving along the highway, and he knows what kind of tree, even though it's he just seen it afar, and he knows what kind of tree that is. So I learned a little bit, and so we're almost done, guys. They are loading up firewood for our wood stove, and the pickup truck is already full. So up to there. This is a tall tree. Oh, and my husband cut, I don't know how old those wood are that he cut long time ago. So over here, oh, lots of this is a pine tree, and this is the one that has lots of limbs. Okay, guys, to cut some of these woods is good also, because it will allow those small trees to grow bigger, and instead of let them deteriorate, because they're just gonna fall. There are those that I don't know if he cut those trees before or it just fell. I think those, if you see, guys, there are some that's already leaning, and it's just gonna deteriorate. Yeah, it's good because it's a fertilizer. They will just rot there, but it needs clear up also. It needs a clearing up, and allow those small trees to grow bigger, and new trees will come out. So I don't want to get inside the woods there, because I don't want to slid there, because we have snow. I already slid like 4 weeks ago, and I still have the pain in the side of my elbow. So it's really a bad, you know, I slid on the ice, and like I almost cry. Okay, they are almost done. Few more cutting, and we're gonna be leaving.